Hi, hello everyone, it's Mimi and welcome back to No Money Honey, where I teach you everything about beauty and fashion when you have no money. My makeup is done today, and if you haven't noticed, my eyebrows are not, and that's because I wanted to review for you the Arches and Halos Jetsetter Starter Kit. As you can see, I have almost no eyebrows, and what I do have is very thick, and I have been having a hard time filling them in to make them actually look really beautiful with what I have. They're just not working for me anymore. And this starter kit includes an angled brow shading pencil called Shade and Fill, a Duo Luxe brow powder, boost color, and I got this is in the shade dark, and the brow highlighting and concealer crayon. It also includes natural hold brow gel, which they say is the finishing step, and a carry bag for everything in it, and it has tweezers. So I'm going to open this up. And this is the carry bag. Nice velvet pouch. The Arches and Halos logo on it. And then we have, looks like Perfect Brows, directions in 6 steps. It's a little tutorial brochure. Yeah. Now, straight off the bat, I can tell you that I am a little disappointed in this kit because the brow powder comes like this. I assumed that it wouldn't just be a pan. I thought it was going to be an actual compact, but this is all I got for $29.99. Now, I'm not knocking this because with everything that's in this kit is a deal for $29.99. But let's see how it wears and whether it's really worth the $29.99 that I spent on it, because that's a lot of money and I don't have any. And I don't want you to waste yours the way I might have just wasted mine. So I'm going to be right back because this kit does not include any kind of eyebrow brush. And I have a nice one by Zoeva. I think that's how you say it. I'll be right back and get that. Okay, I'm back with the Zoeva wing liner brush. It's this really thin, pretty brush. And I have my mirror right here if you're wondering why I'm looking off camera. And that's so I can see what I'm doing to fill in my brows. So let's see how this color looks. I'm going to use the lighter shade, this one right there. Swatch it. Oh, that is a nice color. Very dark. I thought it would be much lighter than that. This is the first brow powder that I've actually ever really liked. The first one that's actually ever showed up on my skin. I've bought so many because they're supposed to be easier than pencil, and they've never done anything. Like, they've just never shown up. It's like, what is this? And this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love the color too. The lighter shade is beautiful. The darker shade will be better for when you want like those bold in your face lashes, but I don't want that today. I'm just going to the grocery store when I'm finished with this video. That's all I'm doing, to pick up some supplies. That's it. So that's why I have on this really light wash of makeup, because I'm going to be wearing a mask. It doesn't matter, but I do want my brows to look good. Yes. And I'm most likely going to redo my hair because it looks a hot stripe mess. And let's try the brow gel, because I have curly eyebrows and they like to go every way but up. So let's see how this controls them. I don't really like brow gels. The ones I have tried. Oh, look at that tiny little brush. Just have been either too goopy or had absolutely no hold. And I refuse to try soap brows. I just refuse. I could just see that being dangerous because, you know, I get sweaty or something and the soap runs into my eyes. No, no, no. So, yes. Look at that. I've never been able to get that feathered look with my brows before, and I am loving it. Oh, so pretty. You know, it really is a youthful look for the face. You know, I'm an 80s and 1979 baby and a 90s teenager and an early 2000s young person. So at some point in my life, I have honestly plucked out my brows because that was the way that people did it. And they grew back, but as I've gotten older, they've literally fallen out. So I've always wanted to be able to get that bushy brow look, and I think I have achieved it in a way that is perfect for me with these products. So I am going to give this Arches and Halos Jetsetter Starter Kit a definite 2 thumbs up for first impressions. And I will be back in a bit to tell you how it wore when I went out. Bye. Hi everyone, it's Mimi again. I wanted to give you an update on how my brows held up. They haven't smeared, they have faded a little bit, and the gel is absolutely awesome. This was about 5 hours since I put them on, and I'm loving this stuff. I'm definitely going to continue to buy the eyebrow gel and the eyebrow powder, and they are sold separately, available on Amazon and the Arches and Halos website. So I'll have the prices and details and links below in the description. Bye.